In this lesson, we will see together the demonstrative pronouns, but more precisely the pronoun celui. So what are the demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns in French are used to replace specific nouns that have already been mentioned. And that's the concept of the pronouns, remember, to avoid repeating things and to replace nouns that were, of course, mentioned previously. They must agree in gender and number with the noun they replace, which is quite logical. In this lesson, we will see the pronoun celui. And the demonstrative pronoun celui can be translated in various ways in English, such as the one, this one, or that one. Remember that celui is masculin singulier. So let's see 4 examples with celui. Celui qui arrive en retard paiera l'addition. Celui qui arrive en retard paiera l'addition. Je préfère le gâteau au chocolat à celui à la vanille. Je préfère le gâteau au chocolat à celui à la vanille. Celui de Marie est plus joli que le tien. Celui de Marie est plus joli que le tien. Celui qui ne tente rien n'a rien. Celui qui ne tente rien n'a rien.